I got my Limitless out here. We're gonna test it out, see what I can get with the new setup on it. Let's see. It's connected. Hit track. Hit start. I got a car coming, but let's see if I can get it pass in after these cars pass. I'll wait for all these cars. Wait for the jogger. What's up? I can't run until you pass the car. 150 so far.
No way.
But I gotta wait for you to get past, because if it hit you, it broke my leg when it hit me.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for you to get past it. All right, I look clear. I think look clear. Let's see. Hopefully them cars don't turn. Here I come. Good pass. It's way down here though. See if I can get it back. It ran kind of good. I say that was a good pass. Let's see what it did. All right, let's see what it did. Stop. Read. 166. New King of Cali right here. 166. That was a very good pass. A 166 New King of Cali. I just keep going up. I kind of like that. I like that 166. These cars. That was a good pass. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't even do 2,000 feet, only 3,796 feet. I got 166. A good pass. So this is just my Limitless I've been had for all this time, and it's just got a new setup in it. I got the Castle 2028 1700 kV in there. So that's all. And basically I'm running some Azure lipos. Let's see here. Run the Azure lipos. That's the Castle. These are the 6200 milliamps XLX2. You know, everybody know the setup. It's a basic setup. So, but 166. It's the fastest car I got so far right now. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you on the next video. I'm out and I'm happy.